Hey, what's going on, great people? Welcome to my channel. My name is Nichelle and I am the Startup CEO. If this is your first time to my channel, don't let it be your last. Go ahead and click that subscribe button up top, comment and like below, and let me know what you think. Today, we are going to be talking about this dollar store haul that I did for some nails, self DIY at home. Stay tuned.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great.
Have a whole row of cosmetics. You don't have to spend a lot of money to try things. I've been saying I was gonna get my nails done, so I am in here looking for some clip-on nails. I remember back in the day I used to wear these all the time, but they have a few nice selections, so I'm gonna give it a try and see if I can do it myself, DIY at home. I have a whole row of cosmetics. You don't have to spend a lot of money to try things. I've been saying I was gonna get my nails done, so I am in here looking for some clip-on nails. I remember back in the day I used to wear these all the time, but they have a few nice selections, so I'm gonna give it a try and see if I can do it myself, DIY at home. So briefly, let's go through why I chose this. Number one, I picked the leopard print nails because I love anything animal print, leopard print, whatever. I love it. It said easy to apply, right up my alley. That was $1, and then the glue itself was $1 because this didn't come with glue, so I had to buy glue to make it stick. The nail file to kind of trim them down a little bit if they're a little too long, and then they gave me 2 extra nails. So this is what I needed right here. $3 and about 40 cents to go ahead and get this product done. I'm trying to see if I'm going to save some money. You know, nails cost about $30 to $40. I don't know what they pay. Haven't had that done in quite some time, and I'll share with you why I haven't. But I think I'm impressed with what I got, the results. So the other day I went to the dollar store and I bought me some press-on nails. And I'm really impressed with them, the press-on nails. I'm impressed with them because I think I did a decent job. I must tell you, I had freaking glue all over my hands, but overall they turned out great. For $1, the glue was $1, the nails were $1. And as you can see, you can't even tell that they cost $1 outside of the extra glue that I have on there. But who's going to be looking that close at my nails to see the glue? Now, that's my left hand. Here's my right hand. This nail right here and that one right there will not stay on at all. And this nail right here, I have to use this to type on my phone. So I haven't worn nails in quite some time, and it is an adjustment. And I'm right-handed. So I'm thinking that's probably the reason why I can't keep these 2 nails on. I mean, they literally won't stay on. But I don't know. And I don't understand how people with long nails, how they do the things personally they need to. Because I've struggled. Look, I use my right hand and I'm like, okay, look at here now. But overall, I think for $1, I'm extremely impressed. I used to go get my nails done, as I mentioned, a long time ago before I had kids, until one of my nails fell in my baby's mouth and he started chewing. And that was the end of that because I thought my son's safety was much more important than my nails looking good. But yay, $1 versus 40 or 29, whatever y'all pay for them. I'm excited and they look good.